Hello world, Shelly here, and it's time for another episode of Makeup and Chill, quick little bonus videos where I show you how I got a particular eye look today. We're doing this one from your requests, the Born to Run palette from Urban Decay. If you missed out on this palette, you're in luck because C-Color makes a dupe, the Around the World palette. Equally awesome, equally beautiful, definitely. Let's just call them similar, shall we? So I'm going to show you guys how I got this eye look and play a little music, no talk through, no interruptions. I'm putting these together just as a little way to relax, chill out, get your mind off of everything else that is going on in the world, escape for a few minutes of your day. So please enjoy. If these are not your jam, do not worry. I've still got my regular 3 videos per week where I yap your ear off. No worries, those are still there. I hope you all are staying well, staying healthy, staying home. Take care of each other. Let's make up and chill.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher, above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. But my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle, figure me out. We'll tornadoes, we'll drink morning dew, and we'll be lovers, me you. Full force tiger, call me out with them blue-green eyes. No, I'm a fighter, the good kind, not running with lies. And when the night is high, like you and I will be soon, then we won't have nothing on us. No, we'll be howling, jumping up and down, howling, crazy fools, feeling young. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle, figure me out. We'll dry needles, we'll drink morning dew, and we'll be lovers, me you. 'Cause the crazy fools feeling young. The crazy fools feeling young. The crazy fools feeling young. Oh, the crazy fools feeling young. Don't wanna sleep tonight, just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, oh quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be. Sunflowers, high grass, and bare feet. Oh, but you each second is a treat. I keep my balance next to you. It's true. Nowadays there's nothing I would